Today, I'm going to show you how to install PsAide. First, go to the official PsAide website. You'll see the download options here, one for Windows and one for Mac. Choose the version that matches your computer's operating system. My computer is a Windows PC, so I'll download the Windows version. Once the download is complete, open the compressed file and double-click the installation package to begin the installation. In the pop-up window, select your desired installation path. I'll just use the default path here. After the installation is finished, a new window will appear asking you to log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, click here to register. The registration window will pop up, where you'll enter your email address. Click this button, and the official team will send a verification code to your email. Open your email, enter the verification code, then set a password for your account. Re-enter your password to confirm, and then enter the official invitation code here to get an extra 30 free credits from the team. Finally, click Sign Up to create your account. Now, go back to the login screen. Enter the email and password you just registered with and click Login. Next, open Photoshop. And PsAide will now be available for use inside of Photoshop. For easier access, you can also go to the Photoshop menu, select Plugins and click PsAide. This will open the PsAide tool panel on the left side of your screen, giving you access to all the tools such as AI Advanced Retouch, Product Transfer, AI Product Photography, and more. Just click on the function you want to use to get started. That's everything you need to know about installing, registering, and using PsAide. If you're interested, go ahead and give it a try.